Hey guys, welcome back. Happy quarantine. So if you guys are all stuck in the house like I am, you know that we can't go get our hair done. So because my hair is so freaking dry and I don't want to put heat in it and I don't know what else to do with it, I'm gonna make an avocado hair mask. We're gonna use some avocado, coconut oil, and tea tree oil. Tea tree oil because it helps your hair growth, and if you suffer from dry scalp like myself, it's a good thing. Okay, we're gonna begin making our hair mask. First, we're gonna take our avocado, we're gonna slice it in half and gut the inside. Ooh. So this hair mask you can put on your hair and your face. We're gonna gut it. Be sure to take the seed out. This is what it looks like. Gut it. Make sure you get all the avocado out. I don't like eating avocado. I'll put it in a smoothie, but in my hair, but that's about it. Okay. Next, we're gonna take our tea tree oil and we're gonna add 4 drops. I got everywhere. The last step is the coconut oil. We're gonna take 2 scoops. This is, well, maybe 3. Okay. Now we're gonna mix this bad boy around. If you have a blender, you can put this in a blender, but I don't feel like cleaning a blender out. So I'm just gonna do it this way. Keep mixing it until like the lumps are almost out. The lumps are not gonna be completely out, but make the consistency. Can you guys see that? Mix this more, it's not done. Now that I have my mask prepared, I'm going to begin adding it in my hair. I want to do each and every section, so I'm going to part it going horizontally. Make sure the avocado and the coconut oil gets on each and every part. And again, it doesn't matter if this gets on your hair because, your face, because it's so healthy. Now I'm gonna get another section. Wow. After we add this all throughout the hair, we are going to let it sit for 20 minutes. Okay, so we are almost done. My hair is drying up a little bit from when I washed it. Massage this in. We are going to leave this in for 20 minutes. This is good for all hair types. You can't really see the avocado like that because of the coconut oil, but I don't even have enough for my face, so I'm just gonna like dip the rest of my hair in this bowl and just lather the tips in the middle. The center of my hair and sometimes like the ends can be the driest. You guys were able to see that. So I have this mask in my hair. My camera died, so I have to do it this way. I'm gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. Tell me what some things that you guys are using in your hair, some masks you guys are making, what recipes you're making. Because the bitch is bored, okay? It's but so many things that I can make and, you know, mix together. So we're gonna let this sit and then we're gonna see the end result. And then you guys are gonna tell me what's some of your quarantine favorite moments, okay? So it's 30 minutes. I had tied my hair up in this little bun. I'm gonna now rinse my hair out. And after I'm done rinsing it out, I'm not gonna style it or anything or put any heat. I'm just gonna let it breathe, chemical free, product free. And you know, enjoy my moisturized hair. Ew. Okay, so I'm about to rinse this shit out. I'm not gonna let you guys go back in the shower with me, but I'm gonna rinse this out. Excuse the mess on my shirt, a little messy, clumsy. So I have my hair washed. We washed the mask out. Can you guys see how well hydrated my hair looks and silky? So avocado, it promotes, you know, it nourishes your hair because it has vitamin E in it and it helps your hair grow. And if you suffer from dry scalp like myself, it's good for dandruff. Tea tree oil is good for hair growth and dandruff.